People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. Yes, Christmas na po. Ito yung Christmas namin mag-iina na for 19 years na hindi ko nakasama itong ibig sabihin yung hindi nabuo. Ngayon lang nabuo ang aking pamilya kasama ang kanilang partner. So, ilang taon din na isa-isa yung pag-uwi namin. So, ngayon, kumpleto na at dito pa sa Canada. So, ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag ganito na magkakasama kami.
Wow! May meta. Ang mali colored. Mas perfect na talaga. Ang
Steady
kulay.
mo pa?
Wow.
Hindi pa pwedeng
What is
steady.
that?
What kulay?
May meta? Magic color?
May met DJ, ano white?
Dita. Mas elegant. Ah.
People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one another. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just presents from the store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who was everything would be so happy if you would bring give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. People you don't know smile and nod hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. It's that once of year when the war sings here, and you like to find a way to show the things that word can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, the man on the street and the couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What the world needs love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
Ang Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay mangagsiyawit ng magagandang himig, dahil sa ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, nang si Kristo'y isilang, may 3 haring nagsidalaw, at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay. Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay, nang lumikaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makantan natin ng kasaganaan. Tayo'y mangagsiyawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik, sumapit ng sanggol na dulot ng langit na